So you want to add a home page into WordPress. I'm going to be showing you what we can do in a very easy way. So speaking about a home page, what you want to do is to have cozy header here into the actual index. I'm going to go into my very first part of WordPress so we can all understand what we're talking about. I'm going to go here into my dashboard. So here, as you can see, we do have the enable post sharing here. This is my actual home. I want to actually go for right, which is actually in the very upper part like this. And here what I want to do is to locate the very first page that I want to create. So here what I want to do is to hit into plus, and here I want to look out for header because I want to add, let's say, like a customizer to edit my actual WordPress. I'm going to hit into the customizer that appears in here, and here as you can see we do have the different site editor. I'm going to leave it like this. So this is the very first image that's going to be showing me the actual WordPress. So what you want to do is to, let's say, change the customization of the site editor. For example, here the home page settings. Do you want to use a static page, or you want to use the latest post? Do you want to leave this like that? And I'm going to go into the cancel. I'm going to save my changes. So if you use the site editor, it's going to be sending you into the different designs that you can choose. For example, this one that we have already been created. But if you want to create something new, you want to go into templates and you want to look out for search. And here into search, let's say that I want to look out for, I'm going to go into the optional placeholders for the search here. I'm going to go into my manage all templates. I'm going to go into add new. And here you want to look out for the home page, or you go into the custom if you want to. Go into the plus button. I'm going to go into front page, and there we go. This is my very front page. So what I can do is to hit into plus, and I want to look for a header. So here they have different options to add. Let's say I want to add a header with an image. So I think that I kind of like this one. It says simple header with image background. So just drag and drop, and there we go. This is my header. If you want to just use this instead of this one, so this one I just want to select that one and delete it, and I want to just stick around with this one. So the last thing that I just need to do is to edit the about home contact section, the actual thing that I'm going to be seeing in here, the logo and all that. So with that being said, guys, this is how we can just start to edit our own stuff. It's really easy to work here into WordPress. Really easy. What you want to do is to, of course, try to edit just one by one parts template, so you can see all of them into the latest part. That would be your actual website. After that, get into save, go into publish, and view your site just to make sure that this one actually works and it actually looks great for you. So with that being said, guys, we reached to the very end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools for the WordPress. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you soon, guys.